EASIT, Easy Access for Social Inclusion Training. This is Unit 4, The Profession, Element 1, Personal Skills, Key Elements of Personal Skills. The video was created by RTV Slovenia and Zavotrisa. The animation offers insight into desired personal skills for producing quality, easy-to-understand information. As other teaching materials support the learner in developing mostly hard skills, this video primarily focuses on the softer side of the scale. So you think you have what it takes to be a professional in the field of easy-to-understand information? Are your personal skills already there? Which might those be, you ask? Let us cover some of them. Critical thinking. Critical thinking is an ability or skill which lets you think rationally and clearly. This skill is vital for producing quality, easy-to-understand information. In a sea of facts, you need to be able to recognize all the essential information. Understanding links between facts and ideas is crucial. So is precision. One must be analytical, yet innovative and creative to find the best solutions. Inquisitiveness. Inquisitiveness could be listed as a part of critical thinking, as it is extremely important. Let us have a closer look. To be able to provide quality, easy-to-understand solutions that are useful, you must be prepared to learn. Be curious, be imaginative. Ask yourself and others relevant questions. Curiosity is your compass. You need to strive in order to understand. Flexibility. We put flexibility before setting goals and time management, as you will have to be quite adaptable and dynamic. Sometimes the solutions you would prefer just do not work. It is okay to let go back to the drawing board and search for better ones. In fact, if you want the easy-to-understand information to really be of good use, you will perhaps sometimes need to let go of some of your beliefs and old practices. Goal setting. In general, goals can be divided into short-term and long-term. Short-term goals help us achieve long-term goals. And they need to be SMART, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. There are many tips and tricks on how to be an efficient goal setter out there. Our only advice would be to not set your goals too low or too high. Goal setting is a process, so do not be afraid to modify your goals along the way. Flexibility, remember. Time management. If you want to manage your time well, your goals and tasks need to be clearly defined. To be a good time manager, one must learn how to prioritize, schedule, list and delegate tasks, but also rest. The world of information is often speedy and it is changing fast. There are many tools for efficient time management. Some of them are presented in our Tools for Time and Work Management video lecture. So you might want to set the task of watching that too and complete the task as soon as possible. Self-reflection. Can you take an honest look at your work? Congratulations if you have already done so. Self-reflection is the one skill that enables you to improve as a professional. Ask yourself hard questions and challenge yourself. As you will improve as a professional, your work will become more valuable and more useful to the end users. Always be patient, never be lazy. Those are the approximate words that a lot of professionals could describe as their daily drive with. Easy information does not come easily. Most often it is hard work. Some things just take time. As your technical and other skills will develop, you will find yourself spending less and less time at your tasks. Still, it might take a lot of patience to learn how to do hard things easily. And to achieve easy-to-understand information can sometimes be hard. Written communication skill. So far, we have mostly discussed so-called soft personal skills. Written communication skills are a bit on the hard side of the skill spectrum. You can learn it to a point in school or in a workshop. To effectively exercise this skill, you will probably need some other difficult skills, such as computer typing skills, information technology skills, and language proficiency. Perhaps you will walk away from written or spoken language and devote your work to photography, illustration, or some technical aspects of easy-to-understand information. In that case, you will need to develop various other core skills, but examples of soft skills from our list are pretty much essential for the field. One last word from us. Always strive for the quality of easy-to-understand information. In so doing, you will be able to identify the skills you need to develop further and the knowledge you must gain. Good luck and happy travels. The script was prepared by Zavod Risa and RTV Slovenia. Graphical design and animation were created by Blaž Zajc. It was produced by RTV Slovenia in 2021. The project EASIT has received funding from the European Commission under the Erasmus Plus Strategic Partnerships for Higher Education Programme, Grant Agreement 2018-1 ES01 KA203 05275. The European Commission's support for the production of this publication does not constitute an endorsement of the contents, which reflect the views only of the authors, and the Commission cannot be held responsible for any use which may be made of the information contained therein. This work is licensed under a Creative Commons Attribution, Share Alike 4.0 International License. Partners of the EASIT project: Universitat Autónoma de Barcelona, Università degli Studi di Trieste, Universidade de Vigo, Stiftung Universität Hildesheim, SDI München, Dyslexie Verbundet, Radio Televizija Slovenija, Zavod Risa. EASIT, Easy Access for Social Inclusion Training.